Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows Media Creation tool is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So I'm not talking about in regards to that your system is not compatible with the version of Windows you're trying to install. It might, if you're trying to install 64-bit Windows 11 on a Windows 10 with a 32-bit processor, it's not going to work. But if you are looking to try and install Windows and you're coming across error messages and it might be a corrupt installation, or you're having problems just downloading the media creation tool, which is more what this tutorial is geared toward, more towards the later option. I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully troubleshoot that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up a web browser, and we're going to go ahead and search for the media creation tool. And then go ahead to Microsoft.com. And then if you want to download Windows 10, you can just select the download Windows 10 option or download Windows 11. Again, depending on which media creation installation you want to create here. So if you want to do Windows 10, select that. Otherwise, we're going to select the Windows 11 option. So go ahead and select that here. So typically the media creation utility or the installation media, that's going to be if you want to burn it to a USB or DVD, which we're going to do for this tutorial. If you're just trying to install it on your version of Windows, like you're trying to just upgrade to a new version of Windows 10 or Windows 11, I would recommend just doing the installation assistant. However, if you're using a different device and you're trying to make a bootable installation media, you're going to select the installation media option and then the download button. And once it's done downloading, we're going to go ahead and click the little up arrow, select Show in Folder, and I'm going to actually drag it over to my desktop here. It'll be easier to visualize for you guys. So you want to right click on it and select Run as Administrator, and then select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. That's one potential issue you may be having, that you are running it with non-administrative privileges. So that's why we just ran it with administrative privileges. Just want to keep that in mind. You may not have realized that, but anyway, go ahead and accept the end user license terms. At this point, you should just follow along with the on-screen prompts. The big things were just reinstalling installation media or selecting the other option just to go ahead and actually update your existing computer. Those two links in the beginning that I showed on the website, they were two different installations entirely. They were two different programs basically. So that's one or two potential workarounds if you want to consider them one or two. And then the third one was running the media creation tool with administrator privileges. And then the fourth one would be just actually reinstalling the media creation tool, just downloading it fresh from Microsoft. So that's something else you want to consider here. And Windows 10's setup, Wizard has this too, to use recommended options for this PC. You may want to uncheck that, and if you're trying to select a different version, you may want to select that from here. A lot of people might not realize that. You have to actually uncheck that box there to customize it a little bit. On Windows 10, you have more options, I've noticed, over the Windows 11 media creation tool in terms of customization, but pretty straightforward process here, guys. They make it pretty easy to follow along with, and more likely than not, you had an older creation tool, or it was outdated, or it was corrupted, or some other way or another, but pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.